Indian shuttler Saina Nehwal said that she is happy that actor Siddharth has apologized for his sexist tweet against her. After winning her first match in the ongoing India Open 2022, Saina was asked if she has accepted the apology note tweeted by Siddharth on his Twitter account. On December 11th, the London Olympics medalist did not particularly use the term accepted in her answer but said that she is happy that he has apologized and realized his mistake.
Accepting actor Siddharth's apology, ace Indian shuttler Saina Nehwal said she's happy that the actor issued a public apology for his unsavory remarks after she raised concerns about Prime Minister Narendra Modi's security breach. Siddharth's reply to the Olympic bronze medalist's tweet on Prime Minister Modi's security breach in Punjab drew flack a few days ago, with the National Commission for Women asking Twitter to immediately block the actor's account. Facing growing outrage over his crass remarks targeting Saina Nehwal, actor Siddharth penned an apology letter to the ace shuttler. The actor wrote a lengthy apology note, although still attempting to justify his comments, as he says his joke was misunderstood.
We are not going to tolerate if it is happening against any women. So these misogynist, sexist remarks is not acceptable to NCW.
A case has been registered against actor Siddharth by Hyderabad Cyber Police for his offensive tweet against Saina Nehwal following the complaint by Prerna, a social activist. But with Saina now graciously accepting Siddharth's apology, it looks like the matter has been settled. Bureau Report, Republic TV.